Say hi.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Dónde está la biblioteca?
Me gusta bailar. That means I like dance. Senora Matos taught us a lot. Or wait, what was her name? Squirrel, where? Where? Ah, I missed it. Darn it. Grace, do you want to get in front of me so I can film you? My GoPro's on. Holy crap.
That is beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh
Wow. That's incredible. Should we take pictures here? Or should we wait till we go up to the top?
You up to you?
I would prefer to take pictures tomorrow when I look cute.
Okay, that's fine.
Hey, can we take one of you guys to take a picture of us? Sure.
Of course. Okay. I'll do one with and one without. Like this could be cute. Wait, I don't see the people at this angle, can you? Now that was almost awesome. Wait, I go something? Oh, wait, that? Thanks. Oh. Oh, for sure. Yeah, tomorrow we can make fun of pictures up here.
I think I might even wear a cute like crew neck under my name.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And wear the crew neck for the photo.
Let's do that. Is it
2.5.
ready?
Oh, yeah. Like you can just see, like,
I can't. All for the gram. I'm gonna try to ski backwards. Brace yourself. Huh? That's insane. Skiing backwards is nuts.
let's let these three go ahead of us and then we'll
Oh, this is just
follow
so
in behind them.
beautiful.
You all ready?
I know, this is insane. Just wait till we get to the top.
Oh my gosh.
Because that gondola's still got a wild ways to go.
Yeehaw.
Yeah!
This is a little bit steeper right here, but it's not as powdery as things were yesterday, so it should be
Is this the one you fell on?
fairly decent.
Is this the one I fell on?
Oh, we haven't been on this one yet.
Oh, yeah. Duh.
Never mind, it's over back right here.
Oh, yeah.
So we gotta hang to the right.
Do you see it, Grace?
Crap.
Just pizza your way down. It's like not a very far little thing. I'm gonna pizza my way down.
Well, the other thing you can do is you can go down there and it flattens out and you come right back across here.
I'm
It-
gonna do that.
Okay, yeah, that's fair.
Here, I'll go with you.
I sunk. Check it out, GoPro. Oh no! Don't come over here! Do what?
Right there, right across, coming across there.
Yeah.
If you come across any more like this, because you're going to have a lot where you've got blues and blacks that are crossing the greens. If you keep your tips pointed uphill just a touch, you'll just kind of skate down along it, and you never have to like do anything.
Okay, that's good to know.
It's nice and smooth.
Okay, good. Love that.
Come on ahead.
You good, Dad?
And the big thing is try not to stop in the middle of the run.
I have a problem with that.
Always go towards the uphill side
And not the downhill.
and not the downhill side.
Good.
Because if you don't stop
Thank you.
and you hit the uphill side, no big deal. You don't stop and you hit the downhill side,
You're going,
it
whee!
becomes a little bit more of a problem. When you're polling, I'm not even polling.
Dude.
I'm just letting the skis take me wherever they take me.
All right, all right.
No, I really don't know what I'm doing, so I really have to just do more care.
He's only skied twice and he's like a pro.
Technique's very good.
And I've skied like 4 times and I'm still pizzaing.
Right foot will not do it.
Mine won't either. That's my problem.
Get the back skis close no matter what I do.
I can turn this way. I can't turn that way either. That's
Foot will not be able to touch. So ill.
That's me too. Do we have to turn here?
Yep.
Oh, geez. Here we
One of the
go.
things that will help you with your turn is to just lift up your heel a little bit. You don't have to pick up your foot entirely,
Just my heel. Oh, okay. Let me try that.
but if you take that pressure off, right, then it doesn't try to dig on you. Yeah, you just kind of lift it over with your other ski. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does make sense. Wow! Oh, thank you. Why do these kind of look like moguls right here?
Oh, they brought the snowmobile up here real quick.
Oh, little bit. Back there, Grace. Hello. Where? Oh, no way. That's so funny. Wow.
That's the big room all the runs with.
That's so cool. How the heck does it go down like that?
What's that?
It's like all the way up there. How does it go down? It's so steep.
The snowcat that's stuck up there.
I think he's already down there. Yeah, there he is. I see him. Oh, whoa.
Yeah, we got a line.
I'm glad we're doing this now. Just in case we don't get back up today. Like to the very top, I mean. How are you doing, like, physically? You what? I can't hear you.
My legs are in a lot of pain.
Okay, good.
I'm about to sit down, so it's fine.
Let's use this as a rest. Although this one was, wait, no, this isn't the one we were on yesterday. I was gonna say the one we were on yesterday looked really long and then it wasn't.
That was pretty.
Took us like 3 minutes. What was pretty what?
That run there was not bad at all.
Felt very good.
Yeah, it's pretty.
I didn't have any points.
Like usually where this merges together is problematic, but it was soft enough today that like you could really get an edge and slow down.
Yeah, that was nice. Did you feel comfortable with that?
Make that transition. Everybody have fun?
That was a blast. This will be a good little break.
My legs are starting to get jelly.
Really?
Huh?
So my legs are starting to get jelly.
Oh.
And then I'm like, oh yeah, you gotta lift up a little bit.
Well, I mean, it's one of those that like if we need to slow down at any point, we can slow down. Right? If we need to stop, like we're gonna get a.
We could stop at that picnic table place for a while and just sit, maybe.
Well, we can go to Rendezvous
Oh yeah.
and sit there. Like you can go to like there's restrooms, there's lunch. Like this is not anywhere near as crowded as it was yesterday. Yesterday was ridiculous.
Now where are we going now? Different one?
Now we're going all the way to the top. Yeah, this will be the last. I have. We'll have to ask.
Collab.
My guess is that we'll eat at the same place. It's generally where they stop and eat lunch every day.
Perfect.
But
Totally
if we
fine
want
with
to,
me.
We can eat lunch up here on the mountain, and they can eat lunch down there.
That could be fun.
Depends on how busy Rendezvous is.
I don't care.
I'm up for anything. I would prefer, well, it's not as cold today and it's not snowing, so I wouldn't mind sitting outside again.